Morning everyone, it's 8 o'clock. Chico and I are getting ready to go for a short walk. He is getting back to his normal activity, but slowly. Then I'm supposed to run for 14 kilometer, and in the afternoon, technically at night, I have bike for an hour with my coach, and in between I'll go to work. Let's see how many of those I manage to do. I'm hoping all of them. So we're just gonna get ready. Chico, I say good morning. Hi Chico. Are you ready for your walk after a week? Let's go to park. So I'm getting ready for 14 kilometer run. Chico is not happy. Wow. So I'm almost at half, 7 kilometer. I have two choices. I can go around Stanley Park or turn back. If I go around Stanley Park, I have to run extra 1 kilometer. So I'm debating. It's funny, 1 kilometer after 14 makes a huge difference. And let's see, Lions Gate Bridge. So I decided to turn, not go all the way back, all the way around Stanley Park, because my legs are too tired. So going back home. I just finished 14K run. My right hip start acting up. I was in pain from kilometer 10. I had to stop and stretch twice. I think I'm not doing the stretches that I'm supposed to do very well. I'm horrible at it, but I should do it better. I dislocated my joint. I was supposed to bike tonight, but I injured myself. My right hip still hurts and I'm limping. So tonight I am gonna do recovery bike, and I am stretching and foam rolling. Tomorrow morning I have training, and then I'm gonna have my biking class. It's really important that I do not get injured and be able to follow my schedule. So that's why tonight I'm taking it easy. Have a good night, everyone.